What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'll be pulling a prank on my friend Thomas. We were out pretty late last night. We're all beat, and I'm so used to working early as shit, so I woke up early. So I'm gonna be moving his car. So we live in mobile homes, and there's a visitor parking. So we forgot to write down the number and put it on the hood how you're supposed to do it on the window, and we didn't do that. And I'm not gonna tell him till this morning, and he'll go like, "I'm leaving, all right?" And then he'll go out, and his truck's not gonna be there because I have his keys and I'm gonna move it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I'm gonna move it. So let's see how this turns out. Hopefully I don't get killed for doing this. Alright, I got the truck parked outside, and you'll be able to walk if we were just to walk out the complex and just see it right there. It's a big truck. What do you expect? You can't hide this bitch. No. But I'm planning on just going in and being like, "Yo, guys, wake up! I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat. We're taking your truck," and he's gonna come out and be like, "Yo, where's my truck at?" I'm like, "What do you mean, where's your truck at?" And then, right, Teron? Come on, Teron. 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 I can't move. That kind of gives you explanation of what we did last night.
McDonald's rapper?
The McDonald's rapper. Yeah, you had a good night where either we tried to go to Taco Bell, but it was closed. So we ended up going to fucking McDonald's, and it took 30 minutes just to be in line. There's two cars in front of us. 2 cars. Okay, get your keys. Alright, we're gonna go pick up his troque. Let's go, puto. That's hauling ass.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-oh. Oh. Please, if you're in a scooter.
Hey, my truck.
Oh, dude.
I get towed?
Fuck. Yeah, I think you did. We didn't fucking put a permit.
Who are you gonna talk to?
The number right there. Cause last time we got towed too.
Towing though?
Yeah.
That's my homie's dad's company. I think.
This nigga just got towed.
That's Dude, they're sending him too, dog.
So what happened? Probably have to pay like $100 something for the towing fee.
Hi, I think I got towed by you guys. I have 7 lines ahead of me. Wow, that's dusty. I got towed.
You got what?
There's 7 lines ahead of me.
And then why the fuck did they answer you?
I don't know.
I hope you got towed.
I'm pretty sure I got towed, dog.
2 a.m. to 8 without permit, yeah. How they tow your shit? Your truck is huge.
Because when we came at night, it was still here.
It was here. And that was like 2 o'clock in the morning.
That was 2 in the morning.
With the,
and then when I walked with Taryn, it was still here.
So maybe they might have come in the morning, take it around like 7 7, 8 o'clock, or just recently. God damn it, Thomas. Why you gotta get towed?
I know.
We were too excited to leave the club, to go to the club.
No, it's not even that. I was thinking about moving it too, but I was still gonna put in a visitor over there. But I didn't.
I was gonna move to the visitor, to the other visitor,
But I didn't
without
see
a
the-
permit, because that makes a fucking difference, right?
I didn't know. Ah, Dusty.
Yeah, you use Dusty.
I know, because I got towed.
Bro, how the fuck did you get towed?
I don't know, dude. They probably pulled in like a flatbed or something.
Well, what have I told you? It's just a prank.
I'd be mad at you. You better not be kidding, bro. You're an asshole, bro. I got towed.
It's a prank.
Where's my car?
It's over there. It's parked in the street. Let's go
Are you
get it.
serious?
Let's go get it. Let's go get it. I'm serious.
Alan,
I'm serious. Let's go
I'm
get
gonna
it.
fuck you up, I swear to God.
Let's go get it. I promise you, bro. I put down our friendship that it was just a prank. Let's get this fucking shit.
You're such a fucking dick. Alan, I'm fuck you, bro. For real. You're fucking serious, you're an asshole. I swear to God you had me, guys. I fucking swear you had me.
What? Nigga, I woke up early.
How'd you wake up?
I fucking like 8, like in 7 o'clock? Like 7, 8 o'clock?
You're an ass, dog. Oh my God, dog. You so strict. You had me calling and everything, dog. Oh, dude.
Prank boys, dude.
I didn't think you're. I didn't. I didn't want to think this. I was like, still kind of like high and shit. And then you killed my highness, bro. I was like, wow. Hey, yo, I want to use this one.
Use what?
Oh, you're such a dick. I can't
We're hopping back in the truck.
dude, that shit up. That was a good one, though, honestly. That's pretty fucked up, dude. I swear, bro, I thought I got fucking towed and shit. I was like, well, here goes that.
Here goes $100-something on it.
Yeah.
Now for the fucking towing.
I know,
Was it
dog.
worth it last night?
Yeah, dog.
How do you feel on the prank?
I don't like you.
Why don't you like me? Yeah.
God. Cause it's fucked up. It was pretty fucked
I
up.
fucking had you though.
I know, but it's fucked
Nigga,
up.
he was
dog.
on the phone. He was like,
I was on the phone
and
in
he
line
calls
waiting
you-
for the fucking. Waiting for the freaking.
And he was like, fucking, I think you guys told me. And then he was like, I think you fools told me.
Yeah, dude, I was like, fuck, dude, I got towed. And we've worked on the trucks before too. Towing mo.
Did you
Fuck
get a
you
thing?
guys. What's it? Yeah, it's right here.
I was about to say, did you not forget what?
I did some flappy jacks.
We're gonna eat food.
Yes. And we're gonna be coming out with another video. Or probably the video's gonna come out before this one, and then we'll put this one up when I edit everything.
I don't know. It's debatable.
Damn.
It all depends which one I edit first.
Nah.
This one.
This one. This one will be up first. And then the next one will be up. We'll be doing more videos
Next week.
next week. Yeah, it'll be like not too constant, but just usually when we hang out.